A very good morning to all of you. This is Abhilasha Nanda, your social science teacher. And today we are going to start our new chapter of your geography book, that is chapter number 1, resources. So, class, basically, in this chapter, before starting this chapter, I would like to give you a little bit brief about this textbook of your geography. Your textbook name is Resources and Development. So, basically, we are going to talk about the resources and substances, and after that, development, how resources and how things are developing. We will talk about those things in this book. Your very first chapter is chapter number 1, resources. After that, we will talk about our some natural resources. After going through this chapter, you all are able to get to know what are natural resources. After that, minerals and power resources, the electricity we are having, and certain types of powers we are using today. We will talk about that. Okay, the minerals, the metals which we are wearing, the gold, silver, etc., etc. We will talk about that. After that, agriculture. Okay, so very core and very primary thing. Okay, that is agriculture. uh, all farmers are giving their life, contributing their life for giving us the food. So we will talk about agriculture, and after that, various types of industries, and after that, human resources. Okay, so we will talk about those things in this book. So the very first chapter of your book is chapter number 1, resources. So, what are resources? So, before going through this chapter, take a overview of this chapter. What we are going to study in this chapter, we are going to first of all we are going to study about resources. What are resources? After that, what is the utility? Then value, and there are certain types of resources. We will talk about them elaborately in types of resources. After that, why we should conserve resources. Conserve means to preserve. Okay, after that, sustainable development. We will talk about these things in this chapter. So first of all, everybody please open your books. What are resources? So there is a conversation between Mona, Raju, and Amma. Okay, Mona and Raju were helping Amma, their you can say their mother or grandmother, to clean their house. So Mona, look at all those things: clothes, utensils, food grains, combs, this bottle of honey, books. Each of these has a use. So, you all are able to see some pictures in your screen also. There are some pictures of grains, clothes, piles of book, utensils, comb, honey, etc., etc. You all, just like you guys are helping your mother, your grandmother, your father, etc., you're helping your parents in cleaning your house. Just like that, Mona and Raju were also helping their amma to clean their house. So Mona is saying, look at all those things, these things like clothes, books, utensils, phones, etc. Each of these has a use. You all are using, you two guys are using these resources, these things. Okay, and every thing, each one of these has certain types of certain usages. Okay, then Amma is replying, that is why they are important, said Amma. These are resources. Okay, so Amma is saying that is why they are important, these resources: pulses, food grains, combs, clothes, books, utensils, table, chair, telephone, books, water bottle, etc. All these things are important to us because they have some usages in our life. Then Raju is replying, Amma, what is a resource? Now a very important question arises. Raju was asking his Amma, what is a resource? Resource hota kya hai? So Amma is replying, anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Okay, anything, कोई भी चीज जो जो हमारी नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करे वो रिसोर्स है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर hungry and food is helping to satisfy your hunger, then food is an important resource to you. Okay, just like water is helping in quenching our thirst. That water is important to quench our thirst, so water is also an important resource. Okay, books are helping us to giving us information and knowledge, then books are also important. honey Honey is helping us to give us some flavor in our food, or it is also helpful in some medicines also. Comb is we are using comb to making our hair, etc. So it is also an important resource. Utensils, we are using utensils for keeping our food, for cooking our food, etc. So all these resources have something, have some uses, and all these resources are satisfying our needs. Okay, satisfying our need, and that is a resource. So anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Okay, so I hope you guys understood what is a resource. So just like that, just look at this picture: electricity. So electricity you use in your home. Right now you are using, some of you are taking your classes online with the help of laptop. Some of you are using uh, Chromebook or phone. Okay, some of you are also using lights. Even most of us are using lights, fan. Okay, so electricity we are using in our home. Vegetables we eat, we are having. Rickshaw we are using for transportation. Textbook you all are using. I am using. We all are using to get some information. Water we are using. Water you drink when you are thirsty, and water we are using to quench our thirst, for cooking purposes, for bathing purposes, for washing purposes, etc. Water is also an important resource. So all these are resources. Now there is a little homework to you, for you guys. So list out 5 resources you use in your home and 5 you use in your classroom. So 5 resources you all have, I think you all have done, and you gave me the names of the 5 resources you use in your home and the 5 resources you use in your classroom. Okay. Now, so all these things have been used by us, right? So all have been used by us, and they have some utility. Now the term arises: utility. What is utility? Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. Okay, whatever we are using. Okay, for example, we are using water for bathing, cooking, for drinking, for washing clothes. It Water has many usages, right? That what makes it a resource. Okay, anything which has some usages, any object or any material which has some usages, then we call that substance or object a resource. ठीक है, कोई भी ऐसा मटेरियल, कोई भी ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट या सब्सटेंस जिसका कोई यूज होता है और जो हमारी नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करता है, वो क्या बन जाती, वो एक रिसोर्स बन जाता है, और उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? यूटिलिटी. यू के यूजेबिलिटी, यूजेस को बोल सकते हो यूटिलिटी. ठीक है, यूज समथिंग which you use, or something which has some use in our life, that is known as utility. So now question arises: how does something become a resource? Okay, there's a question asked by Raju. If you go through your textbook, then you came to know about this. Raju is asking to his amma, how does something become a resource? So its use or utility resource, any resources has some usages, so that the use or utility gives its a value. Okay, whatever we are using have some utility. Okay, and it gives it a value. Okay, value, what is value? Value means worth. For example, some resources have economic values and some do not, like metals. Okay, gold, silver, we are using all these metals. You are using steel, you are using iron. Okay, all these are metals. Metals may have an economic value. ओके, इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू है। अभी गोल्ड परचेज करने चले जाओ, बहुत कॉस्टली है गोल्ड, राइट? यू अगर अभी 10 ग्राम्स गोल्ड के अभी आपको चार्जेस बताएं तो 48 to 49,000 10 ग्राम पर 10 ग्राम की जो वैल्यू है वो क्या है, वर्थ क्या है मेटल्स गोल्ड की, 48,000 के अराउंड है। ठीक है, तो कुछ मेटल्स ऐसे हैं जिसके इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू हो सकती है, बट कुछ ऐसे रिसोर्सेज भी होते हैं जिसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है, बट वो हमारी नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, जस्ट लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप। ओके, यू आर लुकिंग एट ब्यूटीफुल सनराइज, okay, spring, flowers, mountains, trees, all these resources are giving us, like, oh, this beautiful landscape is giving us a satisfaction. We are like बहुत खुश होते हैं हम इस टाइप की सीनरीज को, लैंडस्केप्स को देख के। ठीक है, एंड ऑल दीज रिसोर्सेज आर गिविंग अस समथिंग, लाइक द स्प्रिंग और द लेक which you are watching, it is giving us water, and water is an important resource. Flowers, okay, sunlight is giving sun rising. Okay, sun, what sun is giving? Sun is giving us power. Okay, light, sun is providing us all these things. So it is, you can say it is free of cost, or nature is giving all these things, but it does not or may not have an economic value. The power you are getting from sun, the light you are getting from sun is free of cost. Nature is not charging anything, so you can say it is free of cost. So it is possible some resources have their economic value, मतलब उसका कोई मनी, कोई वैल्यू होगा, कोई यू कैन से वर्थ होगी, कि इकोनॉमिक वर्थ होगी, कि अगर हम कुछ परचेज करने जाते हैं उसके पैसे देने पड़ते हैं और फिर ही हमें वो प्रोडक्ट मिलता है, और कुछ चीज़ें हमें नेचर से फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में मिल जाते हैं। तो रिसोर्सेज क्या है, रिसोर्सेज की उनके यूसेज के अकॉर्डिंग क्या होती है, उनके यूटिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग उनकी वैल्यू होती है, उनकी वर्थ होती है। ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, but both, before going further, I would like to say both these things are important in our lives, and these things are satisfying our needs. And further, I would like to give you an example of your grandmother's home remedies. So, for example, your grandmother's home remedies have no commercial value today. Commercial value, what is the meaning of commercial? Commercial value means something जो हम खरीद सकते हैं और उसका कोई वैल्यू होता है, जिसका कोई चार्ज होता है। ठीक है, उसको हम कमर्शियल वैल्यू बोलेंगे। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, योर ग्रैंड मदर्स होम रेमेडीज हैव नो कमर्शियल वैल्यू टुडे, but if they are patented and sold by a medical firm tomorrow, they could become economically valuable. ठीक है, आपकी ग्रैंड मदर है, कोई रेसिपी, ठीक है, हो सकता है कोई एक काढ़ा बनाती होगी, ठीक है, या फिर कोई एक जैसे पेट दर्द हो रहा है, पेट दर्द के लिए उनके पास एक रेमेडी है। ठीक है, घर के ही नुस्खे, आप बोलते हो ना नुस्खे होते हैं, तो उनके पास कोई नुस्खा है, रेमेडी है, हो सकता है उस वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में आज के टाइम पे उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है कि आपकी ग्रैंडमदर बना रही है और आप ले रहे हो और आप पी रहे हो और आपका पेट दर्द सही हो जाता है। बट धीरे धीरे करते करते क्या हुआ कि वो जो आपकी ग्रैंडमदर की होम रेमेडी है इतनी फेमस हो गई और लोगों को इतना प्रॉफिट हो रहा है उस होम रेमेडी से, तो वो पेटेंट हो जाती है। पेटेंट क्या होता है? इट मीन्स द एक्सक्लूसिव राइट ओवर एनी आइडिया और इन्वेंशन। कोई भी आइडिया है आपका, कोई भी इन्वेंशन है, उसमें आपका एक राइट होता है कि आप मुझसे परचेज किए बिना उस आइडिया का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हो या फिर उस इन्वेंशन का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं हो। ठीक है, तो उसकी क्या है, एक इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू हो जाती है, एक मॉनेटरी वैल्यू हो जाती है। एक एग्जांपल और देना चाहूँगी बच्चों, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल कि गाड़ी है, ठीक है, एक कार है, और उस कार में जो सीट बेल्ट है, सीट बेल्ट किसी ने इन्वेंट किया कि हम कार्स में सीट बेल्ट्स लगा सकते हैं, और सीट बेल्ट्स अगर हम लगाएंगे तो हम प्रोटेक्ट रहेंगे, ठीक है, वी फील प्रोटेक्टेड, एंड हमारे लिए अच्छा भी है, ठीक है। इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू वियर सीट बेल्ट्स वाइल यूजिंग कार्स। सो तो ये आज से बहुत साल पहले जो है ये इन्वेंशन नहीं हुआ था, बट किसी के पास ये आइडिया आया और उसने क्या कर दिया, उसको सीट बेल्ट का इन्वेंशन कर दिया। बट अब और बहुत सारी कंपनीज है जो कार्स बनाती है, फॉर एग्जांपल फोर्ड मोटर्स हो गई, और आपको बहुत सारी टाटा हो गई, बहुत सारी मारुति हो गई, बहुत सारी कंपनीज है जो ये कार्स बनाती है। बट किसी उस पर्टिकुलर जो वो जो इंसान है उसका जो आइडिया था ये सीट बेल्ट का, वो यहाँ पे उसको हर एक कंपनी को उससे वो आइडिया परचेज करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। उस आइडिया की क्या हो गई है, अब इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू हो गई है, जस्ट लाइक योर ग्रैंड मदर्स होम रेमेडीज, ठीक है, कि वो पेट दर्द सही करने के लिए वो क्या है, बहुत पहले वो बनाती थी, एक दवाई बनाती थी और दे देती थी। बट अब क्या हुआ है, अब उसकी इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू हो गई है, अब लोग उसे क्या है, परचेज करके उस दवाई को खा रहे हैं, उस मेडिकल फर्म को उन्होंने बेच दिया और मेडिकल फर्म वो दवाई बना रहा है और लोगों को बेच रहा है। वैसे ही देर इज अ वन मोर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सूटकेस। आज के टाइम पे मोस्ट ऑफ यू गाइज हैव सूटकेसेस, ओके, एंड उन सूटकेस पे क्या लगा हुआ है, व्हील्स लगे हुए हैं। आज से बहुत साल पहले, लाइक अराउंड 20 years पहले इसका इन्वेंशन हुआ था, कि लोगों को बहुत बहुत हैवी लगता था ऐसे सूटकेस ऐसे उठा के आगे लिफ्ट करके और चलने में, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली हैवी सूटकेसेस होते हैं, राइट। तो किसी एक अमेरिकन टूरिस्टर और समथिंग लाइक दैट, कोई एक कंपनी है, किसी ने एक पर्सन को देखा कि उसने क्या किया, उसने अपने सूटकेसेस पे व्हील को लगा लिया, जिससे कि वो इजीली उसको क्या कर रहा था, यूज कर पा रहा था। Then that American touristers or manager or CEO something was there. He looked at that idea और उसने क्या किया, तुरंत उससे वो आइडिया परचेज कर लिया कि आप मुझे अपना ये आइडिया सेल आउट कर दीजिए, आई विल गिव यू $1,000 फॉर दिस आइडिया। तो देखिए, आपके आइडिया और इन्वेंशन की हो सकता है सम रिसोर्सेज कैन बिकम इकोनॉमिकली वैल्यूएबल विद टाइम, एंड सम रिसोर्सेज have their value and have started their commercially valuable with time, right? So time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into resources, okay. Like for example, people's ideas, people's inventions, discoveries, knowledge, etc., all these things, people themselves are most important resource, because it is people's ideas which make something more usable, right? It is people's ideas, people's knowledge, inventions, and discoveries that lead to the creation of more resources. Before going further, what is a technology? It is the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. Okay, we are whatever the product we are making, we are using our skill or knowledge to do that thing more comfortably. For example, last year, agar many of you guys don't know how to take online classes, okay? Didn't know about that technology. So with time, with uh, with the need of this online classes, many of the persons invented many of the apps. For example, this Zoom application ticket came to us. Why? Because we need it, because we wanted to take online classes and give online classes. As a teachers, we wanted to give you classes online, and as students, you wanted to take your classes. As students, you wanted to take your classes online, right? So तो ये Zoom एप्लीकेशन क्या हुई? एक टेक्नोलॉजी है जो क्या हुई है, एक लेटेस्ट एप्लीकेशन है, आपकी लेटेस्ट नॉलेज है जो हमारे थिंग्स को कंफर्टेबली हम किसी भी काम को कर सकें, ठीक है? तो ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रिसोर्स बन चुका है. So it is people's ideas, their inventions, their discoveries that lead to the creation of other important things. For example, just look at this figure. This is an early man. He discovered fire. He discovered wheel. With the discovery of fire, it leads to cooking. ठीक है? We started practicing cooking, and with the discovery of wheel, uh, it resulted in the development of newer modes of transportation. We are using cars, aeroplanes, buses, bike, etc. Okay, but how it happened? It happened with the creation of wheels only, right? And we call these things development. Okay, so all these things are development. All the technologies which we are using are helping us developing, right? So for example, the technology to create hydroelectricity has turned energy in fast flowing water into an important resource. Okay, hydroelectricity, with the use of with the help of water, we are generating power. We are turning fast flowing water into energy. So this is also an uh, invention, or you can say we are using present resources for our development. So class, this is all about today. Thank you for joining the classes, and please go through your textbook, read the pages, read page number 1 and 2 of your textbook, and if you face any problem, you may ask me. Okay, thank you so much.